How to show only specific photos in the home screen widget on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to show only specific photos in the home screen widget on iPhone. iPhones come with widgets by default, but they don't let you choose exactly which photo you want to see. Instead, they usually show random pictures from your gallery. To fix this and have more control, we'll be using an app called WidgetSmith. This app lets you set up widgets that only show the photos you select. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, search for WidgetSmith in the search bar. From the results, tap on the app and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the WidgetSmith app. Here, you'll see options to create small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. You can even add text widgets, circular widgets, and more. Now, tap on Add Small Widget. Here you will get different options like Photo Collection, Photo and Album, Photo Locket, and Most Recent in Album. If you want, you can also try WidgetSmith Premium with a 7-day free trial, but after that, it's paid. For now, let's select Photo Locket and then tap on Save. Next, go back to your home screen and press and hold anywhere until the icons start to jiggle. Then, tap on Edit at the top right corner. Next, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and tap on WidgetSmith. Now, choose Small Widget and tap on Add Widget. The widget will appear on your home screen. You can drag and adjust it wherever you like. If you press and hold the widget, and then tap on Edit Widget, you'll be able to configure which of your WidgetSmith widgets is shown here. Now, simply select Small 1 or Small 2, depending on the one you saved earlier. And that's it. Your home screen widget will now show only the specific photos you selected. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.